Hey guys, welcome back. So, I don't know why everybody's standing in front of me. But anyways, like I was saying, so we're back again with another one. So I did leave early from the soccer incident because it got too scary. I only got jump scared 3 times, but the soccer incident just got too scary for me, so you know. I hit it with the click little button. I clicked zoom. It took me a minute to click the leave button. I was lucky panicking because when I get too scared of something, I'm real quick to hit the leave button. But like, I wasn't fast enough, so I was panicking. It was just too scary, so yeah. Anyways, we're going to find a new one to play. I don't know what flight logs means, so I'm not going to do that one. I can't wait for these ones to come out. I wonder what those ones are. I don't want to play Willie's games. I want to kind of do the night shift janitor or the Blackthorn lookout. Oh wait, I kind of want to do this one. But is it too scary? No, I want to do the night. No. But I'm going to do the Blackthorn lookout thing. But I'm going to try my hardest not to leave like I did the other one. So like, I'm going to try to stay in a little bit longer. And not like, you know, leave the game. Okay, let's go. What did I say? Oh, anyways. Okay, let me want to see what this one's about. After getting a new job as a fire lookout at Blackthorn Forest, you slowly realize there. No. You know what? Let's play it. I got him at 1 player. Why is it not taking me in the game? 20. That never happened before. I'm scared. You could become a killer. Should I do it? It's too late. But I don't want to get scammed because I get scammed a lot. I be spending my Robux and stuff, and I be getting scammed, so I'm like, I be getting more Robux each time, because, like, I be getting scammed every single time. My eyes are tearing up again. That's what happens every time when I play a scary game, my eyes tear up. Okay, we're gonna see if I get jump scared. And that last something that, oh my god, the intros, bro. It keeps scaring me. I decided to get a job for the summer. For the extra cash. Money. I found this job as a fire lookout. I didn't think they liked me singing. For my local national park, Blackthorn Forest. I've heard some rumors about the forest, but I'm pretty desperate for the cash. This should be a pretty good, easy job. I think I'm almost there. I think I'm almost there. I think I'm more so just up there. This job before. Okay, don't mind me. I'm not jump scaring anybody because I have to mic up. Because I was playing a game with my brother. Where do I go? Do I have to walk all the way over there? You got me messed up. Anyways. But yeah, I was playing this game with my brother. And I decided to jump scare him. It was called the sushi game. It was scary too. And I decided to jump scare him. And I clicked it, right? And then it was like a girl with a long neck, and it didn't even jump scare him. So low-key, I literally wasted my money. And then I got jump scared myself because after I did that, a jump scare popped up. Not from what I did, but just a random jump scare popped up, and it jump scared me, and I literally screamed. I was screaming so loud, bro, that I almost fell out my chair. Cause I was sitting in a chair, and then hiking trail, watch tower is that way. You think anybody's gonna go down there? It looks like the hiking. Okay, let me keep on where I'm supposed to go. I'm getting distracted. Bro, don't do that. That scared me. That scared me, bro. That ain't even funny. That stupid thunder, bruh. Bruh. Jesus. I don't like that, bruh. That's actually scaring me. Oh, be for real. I'm gonna close my eyes while I walk up here. The creaking, bruh. I say bruh too much. Are there any lights in this place? That's what I said about the stalker incident thing. Cause I was like, where are the lights? Oh, it looks like there is a note here. Maybe it could help. What's with the creaking, bro? To new fire lookout. If you're reading this, then you probably just arrived at the watchtower and have noticed the lights are out. What was that? That is because your tower runs off of a generator, which needs to be fueled to provide the power to your tower. 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 Let me stop. I have to go all the way back down to get a fuel. Anyways, let's keep digging. There should be a fuel cans in the supply shack located next to the tower. I have a stuttering problem. Like, I've been stuttering for the past few days. I never used to stutter this much. Like I was saying. Located next to the tower. You should have seen it on the way here. After you're done getting the power turned on, try using the radio to talk with the other. Why does it keep creaking? Lookout towers around you. They can give you help on how to get started with your brand new job! Yeah! So fun. Am I mogging? Let me stop, bro. Because what is that? Okay. So we have a oven that we have an oven with a pan on it. Then we have I think this is a freezer. To be honest, I don't know. Like I was saying, bruh. Like I was saying, we have. Like I was saying, we have a microwave, a counter with whatever that is, and whatever. That's the banana smoothie. We have whatever the one. We have all this other stuff, and yeah. Someone's been big around here. If you're reading this, then you probably just arrived at the watch. Can I just jump? It's making me walk all the way down. It made me go all the way down there when they could have told me that like a million seconds ago. Ain't that far now. Yeah, it is, bruh. Let me jump. You said we go in there? Give me this. Can I take more than one? I can't. Hear that? Someone's up there because I'm pretty sure that thing only creaks when someone's not. That's creepy thinking of that. I'm scared. I don't like going up and down. Like, what if I get chased or something? If I get chased, then I'm actually gonna have to end it. I'm so sorry, but no. I'm not with that. We did all of that just to get this. What radio? Oh. Hey! Hello? Hi. Oh, hi. You must be the new guy. Yeah, I am. I'm a guy. Why am I also have to be a guy? Yeah, that's me. Do you have a name, Mr. New Guy? Why are they calling me Mr. New Guy? My name is Ethan. Ethan Parker. Ethan Parker. Oh, clock it. Nice to meet you, Ethan. My name's Owen. Oh, he's a boy, too. Owen. I mean, nice watch tile to you. I saw you turn your lights on. Since you're new here, I'll help you learn the ropes of this job. I will warn you now, though. This job ain't easy. Ain't is crazy. And make sure you're always watching your surroundings. There's endless reports of weird stuff. Weird stuff happening in the forest. I have a stomach problem, bro. Anyways, I bet you're probably hungry. There should be some food in that mini fridge. I was right. I was thinking it was a mini fridge. I was gonna say that, but like, you know, I don't think straight. Things are locked in the fridge now. Why did I say lock when sounds good, new guy. I mean, Ethan. I think that's what he said. Look for some food. Which was that pig? Which one looks the best? I was gonna pick the hamburger too. They say you took too long to pick. You expect this to like unfreeze in a microwave, brother? Is it gonna do anything? Yo. Eat the food and relax. Bet. I'm gonna relax. Why is there no curtains on these windows? I know like nobody will probably like you know what I'm talking about, but still. It's the creaking for me, bro. Where am I supposed to relax? Jesus. I'm scared. I'm scared. You use the computer to fill it out, and you need to measure the temperature and the wind speed. And if you've seen the fires today, to measure the temperature, you can use the thermometer on the wall, and to measure the wind speed, use the wind meter that should be lying on the counter. You have to be outside for the wind meter to properly give you a reading. See, I've already done it. If you figure out how to do it, any of this, you can press the question mark button on the service report screen on your computer. Good luck, guy. This is too much, bro. You cannot be serious. Do the service report. To be honest, I don't remember what he said. This is a wind meter. He did say I had to be outside for the wind meter, so you know. I'm outside. 12 knots. That ain't even funny. Imagine how I would like to be typing on that, and I would have to look around. 56. The temperature's 56. 56. And then the who? The fire swatter? What's next? The fire swatter? The fire spotter. I have to spot a fire. I don't know what to do and I'm scared. I'm gonna just put 2 down. 1, 2. I'm gonna act like those are fires. I'm putting 2. If it doesn't work, then I'll do this. Don't worry about the background noise, like I said. Hey! I'm just gonna guess it for real. Jesus. Before you go to bed, make sure you close your windows. You got me messed up. Watch me sleep is crazy. I'm so sorry, but like, Jesus. Probably the last 15 minutes in the game. Oh my god. Anyways, let me just cover his face with this. Anyways, bye guys. Can I mimic him? Let me stop. Bye guys, and we'll try another game next time. Maybe, if I don't get too scared. But that was a lot of work, and the lightning got me messed up. It was too scary. And the creaking, and then that last part. Comment down below if you could last 15 minutes or last longer than I could, because, and comment which one you want me to play next, because that was a little we're not gonna talk about it. Anyways, bye. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Anyways, yeah. Bye. Toodaloo.